Welcome to another powerful episode from G8P, where we dive into the most pressing issues facing B2B marketers in manufacturing. Hi, I'm Chris Peer, founder and CEO of G8P, a marketing consulting firm specializing in helping manufacturers to achieve an ROI on their marketing spend. And this video is about pillar number 4, marketing team structure. As the saying goes, if you want to go fast, go alone. And if you want to go far, go together. And your marketing team structure is critical to implementing a solid marketing strategy. Without a strong marketing team, meaning the right people in the right seats, it's almost impossible to pull off an ROI-driven marketing strategy. When we talk about ROI-driven marketing strategy, your marketing team needs to be very similar to a sports team. You're going to have your coaches, you're going to go have your A-team starting players, you're going to have your developing players, and you're going to have your logistics team. And in the ROI-driven marketing team, your coaches are your strategists, your logistics team are your project managers, your A-team starting players are your specialists, like an SEO specialist or a writer or a graphic designer, and then your developing team players are your implementers. These are the ones that put all the pieces together and launch or drive your marketing tactics. So for more information, go to our website at g8p.co and buy our book and read more about marketing team structure. Thanks.